Hello and welcome to Your Next Car's YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous X3 3-litre diesel M Sport we have in. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of its features and options, as well as giving you a close look at its condition and some of the styling upgrades which we've carried out in-house. There's not many around like this. Let's take a look around. Twin slat X3m style kidney grills, 3-piece front splitter, giving that nice aggressive look to the front. LED headlights, automatic operating as well. Front and rear park sensors and reverse camera, some of the factory options. 20-inch wheels, finished in high gloss black. There you see the M Sport braking system. 30,000 mile car, just serviced, so all up to date and ready to drive. Upgraded side fenders there with the X3m logo. Wheels are of course all unmarked, recently finished. Got the sidebar, adding a nice subtle upgrade. You'll notice the rear spoiler, which is again an X3m style rear spoiler. And then this gorgeous rear diffuser with the quad exhaust tips. Looks really good. Reversing camera on this one, an automatic tailgate. You'll notice the ample boot room, folding rear seats as well. This is a one owner car from brand new. Inside, black leather, all electric windows, Harman Kardon sound, and of course the interior lighting. Climate control in the rear as well. Being the all new X3, we have the digital dash and the big sat nav, which is a professional widescreen. All electric windows, electric boot as you've seen, and electric folding mirrors. Harman Kardon sound system upgrade. Touchscreen navigation, DAB, Bluetooth phone and audio playback. Seats are in really good condition, as is the rest of the interior. The ambient lighting continues, and of course you can colour change on there as well. Exact mileage is 30,833. Tiptronic and paddle shift, and you've got the cruise control with the speed limit. So look at the reversing camera as well with park assistant. Physically in stock, ready to go. PCP and HP available. Part exchange is very welcome. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.